In this tutorial, I will show you how to automate 1688 dropshipping and Taobao dropshipping orders to Shopify using BuckyDrop, including product sourcing, order fulfillment, and full Shopify automation workflow. First, we connect your Shopify store to BuckyDrop. Go to www.buckydrop.com. This step enables Shopify dropshipping automation, so your orders can be synced and processed automatically inside the system. Next, you can purchase products from 1688 and Taobao through the sourcing function of BuckyDrop. BuckyDrop supports product sourcing, image search, and one-click product push to your Shopify store, which is essential for scalable dropshipping automation. Once enabled, BuckyDrop automatically handles Shopify order fulfillment, including automatic order placement, logistics processing, and cross-border shipping automation. With this system, you can fully automate your 1688 and Taobao dropshipping business from product sourcing to Shopify order fulfillment. Start building your automated e-commerce store with BuckyDrop today.